When I make this chicken and potato recipe, my family is thrilled. For this recipe, we'll need 3 to 4 potatoes. Start by slicing them. Tell me if you've ever made a chicken and potatoes recipe at your house. I'd love to hear about your recipe. Transfer everything to a bowl. Add olive oil, salt, black pepper, ½ teaspoon of paprika, garlic powder, and stir to blend. Guys, make this recipe at home. It's incredibly delicious, and I'm sure everybody will love it. Here we have 8 boneless and skinless chicken thighs. Use a kitchen mallet to break the fibers and make our chicken softer. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Ken Paul from Florida. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Now season the chicken with salt, black pepper, ½ teaspoon of paprika, ½ teaspoon of cottage cheese for each chicken thigh, and roll the chicken thighs this way. Put the potatoes in a pan and add the chicken thighs. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 200 grams of sour cream, salt, black pepper, and stir. Pour this mixture over the chicken. Brush the chicken rolls with sour cream. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for 45 to 50 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, add grated mozzarella cheese and bake for another 15 minutes. In the meantime, cut some chives. It's optional. Now our recipe is ready. Just add the chives on top and serve. Look how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you very much for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye!